So, okay, so daily, we had break structure here, so bullish, closed above these highs as well, so we was in a bullish daily here, but after this large expansion, we could expect a retracement. So this is what this was. We see a retrace. We do see a break structure to the low, break structure to the downside here when it put in this low and closed below it. But then the next day we see a break structure up to the bullish again on this daily candle as it closed above this high. So daily we're in a bullish trend. Drop down to the 4 hour, we can see it retraced here, and then on the 4 hour broke structure above this high when we closed here. If we zoom in to these candles, obviously didn't close below this low, didn't close below this low, so we're still in a bullish on the 4 hour. If you go down to the 1 hour, we didn't break structure to the upside yet. As you can see, high didn't break structure, high didn't close above this high because this candle wasn't here at the time of the trade. We didn't close above it, so we're still in a bearish on the 1 hour. But we had this 1 hour FVG below price and below a 4 hour low that we marked out here. So if price is coming down into a 1 hour fair value gap, we want to drop down to a lower time frame 15 minute and look for a breaker structure to the upside, so that we know orders have been filled. So as you can see, we come below this 4 hour low into this grey shaded area, which is the 1 hour fair value gap. What do we see? We see price come in, little reaction up, we create this high, come back down, dip back in, big reaction off, telling us the orders have been filled because the big reaction has broke structure to the upside. So now on the 15 minute we've broke structure, so we're bullish on the 15 minute. But at this time of the breaker structure, the risk to reward isn't good enough, so I don't enter off the breaker structure. So what do? We sit and we wait for a retracement. And what can I take a retracement play off of fair value gap? What do we have here? We have this 15 minute fair value gap from here to here, and then on the 15 minute fair value gap we have to drop down to a 5 minute to see a breaker structure. So what do? We're in this fair value gap, but what can we do? And this is where I'm starting off. Well, it's actually been about 1.5 years, but I'm going to be profitable, trust me. You guys will see. When I'm profitable, I'll show you guys this video, and this is where I was. That's my dogs in the background, by the way. Yeah, go watch these adverts, man. Yeah, where was I? Okay, so we had the 15 minute fair value gap, but then I can see that there's a 5 minute fair value gap here. So I change from the 15 minute fair value gap to the 5 minute fair value gap, and we wait for price to come into the 5 minute fair value gap. In a 5 minute fair value gap, I'm going to see a 1 minute breaker structure. So once we've hit the 5 minute fair value gap, drop down to the 1 minute, stop, and then on the 1 minute we see we tap in, and then once we've tapped in, we're looking at the highs to see a breaker structure. Don't break structure on here, come back down, create this high, we don't break structure, create this high, we come up, break structure. Okay, so we enter off the 1 minute breaker structure within the 5 minute FVG. Okay, stop below the lows of this 5 minute FVG, and I'll first take profit above this 15 minute high. I would also have another take profit above this 1 hour high, but I don't know how to do more than one take profit on trade casa. So yeah, that was take profit 1 to 1.48 risk to reward. Let me let my dog out. Yeah, but that would have been our first take profit, and then my second one would have been here, and maybe third here. No news on this day. This is the news for the day. It was this Thursday, so only orange folder, so no red news. Might as well see if it hits this take profit. Live vote. That's it. There you go. So it would have hit this. So you would have got a second TP 2.5, and then probably full take profit 3.2. And yeah, that's how I would have took profit. What was this up here? Is anything on the 1 hour? 4 hour? Okay, 4 hour imbalance. So yeah, that was the trade.